Hey skaters, I'm Dirty Deborah Harry with the Dirty School of Skate and the Fountain Valley Skating Center, and I'm here today to talk to you about your transitions. I know, you're still struggling. You are still struggling with transitions. Why do I know this? How do I know this? I know this because you talked to me about it. In person, in the comment sections, in your messages, your emails. Transitions. They are the bane of our existence when we're learning how to skate. No problem, honey. I got you covered. Today we're gonna do a little practice thing. I haven't shown this before, so this might be something new for you. Help you finally conquer your transitions and make them good, make them smooth, make them feel right, okay? Today's video is brought to you by Old Bones. Old Bones keeping me feeling good, honey, with all things compression, knee sleeves, socks, etc. Go to oldbonestherapy.com to support people who support skating. Also, today's video is brought to you by Backbeat Skates. You can find them at backbeatskates.com. Did you know that they have a full Riedell fitting studio where they carry all the high-end boots in stock in a full-size run? So if you wear a particular size and you want to try on a particular high-end boot, they've got it. You can put your foot in it, see if it's right for you. And then Shannon, the fine proprietor of Backbeat Skates, will help you custom design if you don't want one right off the shelf. She also has a 1,200 square foot maple wood floor with mirrors and bars, ballet bars. You can go there and you can practice, you can rent private practice time, and you can take classes from some of the best instructors. And it's not that far. It's about, I want to say about 2 miles from the Fountain Valley Skating Center. So you can go there and then come here, or come here and then go there. Alrighty, skaters. So let's get started on a better, more fun way that you can practice your transitions both inside the rink and outdoors. All right, skaters, have you ever been in the rink and you see these large circles and you wonder, well, what the heck are those? I'm gonna tell you. Honey, these are called figure skating circles, and they are specifically for you to execute all the different edges that we have in roller skating. These two big circles are the ones we're going to work on. Now listen, I understand that the vast majority of you do not have access to a roller rink with its own circles. Maybe you're outside. No problem. You are outside. Just grab yourself some chalk. You want to put it on a string and set it in the middle and then have someone draw out a big old circle. That's fine. You don't have anyone to help you, no problem. Just grab a big old piece of chalk, put it between your legs, and skate around in a circle and draw yourself a circle. It does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be a circle, okay? It's important, though, that we have it. You're going to start in the intersection of your two circles. Listen, if you don't have two circles, I don't care. You're outside with one circle. You're going to go in both directions, so it doesn't really matter. But we got two circles. Let's use two circles. What we're going to do is we're going to skate forward. I am skating counterclockwise, which is the direction that we normally skate in the rink, okay? We're going to skate counterclockwise here, and then we're going to transition to this circle where we skate clockwise. You got that down? Good. All right. Now, we are going to skate counterclockwise. We are going to put weight on our right foot, open up, heel to heel, and boom. Okay, let's try it again. We are skating forward. The most important thing, people. Weight on your right foot, open to turn. When I say weight on your right foot, I get that the vast majority of people are like, what are you talking about? It's so simple, but it takes a lot of mindfulness for you to really understand how to put weight on one foot. Because if you're just standing here, you're like, I got weight on my feet. I got all this weight on my feet. My feet, they have weight on them. When I say put weight on your right foot. I mean that we are transferring our body weight over the top of the right foot, the right skate. We are bending the knee over the top. We have significantly more pressure on this skate than we do on the other. You know that more weight on one foot allows movement for the other, okay? So when I'm coming around here, weight on my right foot over the line. As you can see, as soon as I put weight on my right foot on the line and I start pressing, the left foot tends to trail back just a bit. Just a bit. What I want to avoid is having the foot go out wide. I do not want that. I want it in close proximity in width and then a little bit offset like that, okay? Arms out, bent over. I rotate. You know, if you've watched one of my videos or all of them, you remember head turns shoulder, shoulder turns hip, hip turns knee, and knee turns foot. So as you go to do this transition on the line, your arms are out like this. You bend your right knee, rotate, look, and then open and place weight on your follow foot, which is going to be your left foot. Arms are out, hips low. Bend your right knee, look, rotate, open, and place weight down on your follow foot. Please understand that when you're down here and you're pushing weight down on your right foot and you open up and you look, as soon as I look, I can open up my hip, my shoulder, my hip, and my knee. And if I use my left hand and mark my left hand on the line, I can stay with the curvature of the circle. So when I start out, I'm gonna put the right hand on the line. I'm gonna put pressure on my right side. I'm gonna look, I see my left here, I can open and return. When I finish, my feet will be somewhat side to side. You can be a little bit offset. Again, I want close proximity here. I don't want it out like this. All right, down, weights on the right. Look, plant your left hand, hip up a little bit, rotate, boom. Let's talk about the hip. If you want to move this left skate, weight down on the right, I rotate. If I lift this hip up just a little bit, it makes it easy to rotate the left foot out. It'll also take pressure off the heel and you'll be rolling with just your front truck, okay? So down, weight pushes down on the right, go like that, up a little bit, heel to heel. Just for me personally, I don't love the idea of the arms being like open, close. I think that it is too much. I think when we do the full open closing with the arm, people tend to do it too fast, too vigorously, and it throws off the entire movement. I want this to be nice and smooth, so you're skating at a nice pace, not too fast, not too slow. You're here. Put your right arm, put your left arm, bend your knee, look, turn, okay? Now, we will then segue over to the other side, because you know, if I've said one thing to you, I've said this one thing to you. You gotta go both ways. You have got to go both ways. I can't have you turning your one good way and then you come and see me and tell me that you can't turn the other way because you have done what? Been neglectful with your practice. Yes, you have. I'm not here to shame you about it, but I'm here to highly encourage you to turn both ways. You gotta go both ways. Oh, now we are going, what are we going? Clockwise, yes. Okay, we're gonna put weight on the left skate. Got my arms in the proper position. I look over my shoulder, open it up, lift my hip, heel to heel, and return. I know that when you do this, this is going to be harder for you. Left arm forward, right arm to the back. Okay, put weight on my left skate, look over, go heel to heel, boom. Skating like this. Drop your hips, put your weight on your left, look over, rotate and around. Okay, my friends, now we're gonna go one way and then another. You're gonna skate here at this. Put your weight down on your right, look over left, here. Now you're like, now what? How do I turn around, Dirty? How do I turn around from back to front? A lot of different ways you can do it. This video ain't about it. But right here, if you just want to be cute about it, rotate, boop. If you just want to be cute. Okay, press down on your left. Got my weight here. I look over, you guys. Lift this hip a little bit, go heel to heel, and come around. I know that a lot of you are gonna be like, but Dirty, I can't turn out. Like, I can't turn out completely. That's the best I can do, my friends. This is the best I can do. The best I can do. I can't completely turn out either. But really what you need to, first of all, you need to work on your turnout. You want to have loose hips so you can have fun till you're old? Yes, you do, my friends. Different video. Okay. What you really want to make sure is that you're transferring the weight at the correct time. Let's look at it, okay? I push down on my left. I look and I just go hip up, boom, transfer the weight. That is going to be your successful transition, is the transference of weight at the right time. I'm going to give you this other tip, and this one's just for free. Did you know it's easier to do something when you're already doing something? Easier. Trust me when I say it's easier to do something when you're already doing something. That means you don't necessarily have to skate into this and be like, here, and then here, and then okay? You don't have to be like that. You do not have to be like that. Let's say I wanted to just skate into it. I have my arms out. Bend my knee, here, here. I'm skating, skating, skating. I look over, boop. Skate. However you are relaxed, skating. Bend the knee, arms, look, turn, turn. I'm cool. I'm down here, no problem. Flip around, okay? Infuse your style into the skating that you want to do. I don't know if you noticed, but I've got my chin up, shoulders straight across, got my snacks tight, you know, okay? I can do this properly, you know, like very traditionally, right? I can go like this, here, here, you know, skate, whatever. Whatever, I can do that. Or we can just be down here, like side to side, transferring the weight, cruising into it like that, okay? I just need you to do something before you do it. I don't want to see you skate fully still and then wind up and then try, okay? More often than not, that just creates anxiety, okay? You need to have a little bit of rhythm in your skating. You know that if you screw up, do not get all mired in the, oh my God, I screwed up. I've yet watched another video about transitions and I'm still having problems with it. And then I try it and I'm still screwing up. I don't care about that. Listen, I believe in you and your future and your ability to do this. But I also believe that when you do something and halfway through it, something goes wrong and then you... The best thing you can do is now fake it and act like that was good. Okay, we're cool, we're cool, we're cool, cool. Okay, we're gonna start again. All right, she said to do this, that, other thing, put the body weight down, look over, turn. I promise you, these things are a work in progress, and so are you, my friends. It does not mean that you're not going to be able to do it if you struggle. My Lord, life is nothing without the struggle. And then when you finally get it, it's so good. But please remember, don't look at other people and their progress in this and think, oh my God, but so-and-so's getting it. Well, so what? All you have to do is focus a little bit more, be a little bit more mindful about your skating practice, and you'll be just fine. When you do this outdoors, it's gonna be a little bit more challenging because the ground can be a little bit grabby, meaning you got big outdoor wheels on it and it might be a little bit more challenging. Don't let that stop you from practicing outdoors. But after 5 minutes, I want you to skate something big and then come back to it. I don't want you to labor on it for 2 hours, okay? It doesn't work like that. Just 5 minutes, go do something else for 5 minutes, come back. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, okay, no. You need to, okay? Help us get to 300,000. We're working hard here. Please give us show us some love, would you? And if you've got a video you want me to make, please put it in the comments section so I can make that video for you. All right, you guys, I gotta go. You know what to do. Go practice.